Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Oh, we got something good, but before we get to this, let me just tell you, J&A would like to tell you we are now affiliates with Liquefied.
Yes, absolutely. So if you need black tank treatment, gray tank treatment, toilet bowl cleaner, wash and wax, hey, we have got a coupon code. We're going to share that with you so you can get 15% off, and we will put that link down in our description.
That is right. So let's get to this. This is a 2026 Primetime Tracer, model number 255DS. So let's get started. The length on this tracer is 29 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 5,973 with a hitch weight of 605 with a GVWR of 7,605.
So guys, if you are looking for something to tow with a half-ton truck, definitely keep this one in mind. We can't wait to show you the inside because it's got some neat little things. They're being pretty innovative. We think you're going to like them. Now this front storage right here, nice and tall. Really like how much space you've got in it.
It's on a drop frame now.
It is, well, yeah, the front part there is on a drop frame, so it's really cool. And I forgot to tell you that it does have a power tongue jack, and your propane's going to go under those covers.
Well, usually that's pretty much all of them do.
Well, I know, but I like to tell people. Going to have a rack and pinion slide there.
And all of your low point drains are under here.
I'm going to slap you when we get done.
Oh, yes,
all
ma'am.
right. And you got a dump area under there. Now it's not quite under your slide, so it's right under so you can actually reach this even with the slide out, so not a bad placement. Coming down here. Let's see, did we decide that this is a 50 amp?
Yes.
Yes. All right, looking at the back of it. Not a ladder included, but you do have your spare mounted back here, and it is going to be prepped for a backup camera.
Did you show this sewer outlet under here? Now that one's a little further back.
Yes, back a little bit.
Oh, cool. Spray
Little
port.
spray port there on the side. And do we know our awning length?
17.
17 feet. So that's going to give you some really good coverage on your campsite. Your propane quick connect's going to be down there where that little tag is hanging. You do have power stabilizers.
Tankless water heater.
And it is right there. All right, let's show you this side of the pass-through storage before we go in and take a look at it. So,
Oh, yeah.
This is just a really big pass-through storage.
And they've got aluminum framing here too.
Yes, it does.
Oh, wow.
So, hey, if any of you have ever had to crawl through your pass-through storage,
You can get through that one.
you can get in that one. Just ask us how we know about that.
I have to say though, I'm glad we are now affiliates with Liquefied. So
Yes, absolutely. We're excited about this. Let's give you a quick look around in here.
it's a neat little couple's floor plan.
This is a really neat little I know when you're looking at this side, you think, well, we've seen this before. Well, yeah, you have. But now I think Primetime has kind of tweaked this because I really want to start back here. This is just the most cool
Innovative?
use of space. Yeah. So you've got this little nook area right here that you can use as a workstation.
Yeah.
If you have a grandchild with you that wants to eat breakfast and look outside, that's great. And those little stools will just, they snap into place while you're traveling.
And this window does open.
It does open. You have got some storage up here. Now the one downside to this is for some reason there's not a plug-in over here.
Wait a minute, it's over here.
Ah, we didn't see it.
And you've got you like USB and USB-C.
They hid it from us.
Yeah, that's way over there.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me retract that. That is the perfect workstation then.
Look at these things.
Yeah, so yeah, you have really nice deep storage here. So if you want to use these double bins, these are just amazing.
You can pack a lot of groceries in them.
Yes, you can. I can hide all of my little nerds clusters in that.
Look at that.
And then you have this. So, you know, if you need extra storage from the bedroom, so you've got hanging, you've got shelves, this is prepped. You can do a stackable, you can do a combo unit in here. And it's just a really nice size storage closet.
I love how they done this.
I
and then
love it. Yeah, and then you've got your coat hacks,
coat hacks.
racks. Yeah, hang your hat up, hang your dog leash up.
Yep.
All that good stuff. So
Well, let's go in there and check out the bathroom.
while we're here at the back,
Hey.
yeah. So this is not going to be the biggest bathroom that we have ever seen, but now it's 6 feet tall with a skylight. You've got, you know, good headroom. Got a shower curtain in here. And it is.
I'm still measuring. Yeah. 24 by 40.
24 by 40. So not really wide, but it's kind of long. So you do have a bit of a step up to get to it. So just, you know, just keep that in mind. This is going to give you a plastic foot flush toilet. You've got some storage over here, a little bit there under your sink. Nice medicine cabinet up there with a mirror, a light up above it. Yeah. Got plug-in. No, got plug-ins down here.
Water heater.
Water heater.
Controls and
Yeah.
your tank levels.
Yeah. So
Does not get the golden plunger.
it doesn't get the golden plunger. There's no designated linen storage because you have a little rack right there. But it's doable.
Yeah.
It will work. Now they are going to put your heating vents in the floor. Let me go ahead and just kind of back up, just kind of give you an idea of all the space that you've got in here. This is just, you know, this is a lot of space on a couples camper.
I like this.
I do like this. All right, over here in your slide, you are going to have your sofa with armrest. Yeah, so it is going to jackknife. And it's a pretty decent size jackknife, so, you know, somebody my height, you know, 5'2", 5'4", can probably sleep on it with no problem.
They still give you some more USB-C and B and C over there.
Yes, and this is going to be a flush floor, fairly flush floor, so it doesn't have like one of those huge steps to get up onto it. So, yeah, super nice. Now,
Okay.
if you have a seat on your sofa, you're going to be directly in front of your 50-inch TV. You have an AC up here. Great counter space. And then you have this really neat table system. So, altogether you're going to have 4 of these like saddle stools. So, you can move those things around as you need them. You can get 4 people easily here to eat, and then when you don't need this, it just slides back up in there.
And I also want to say, on a floor plan like this, it's hard for a floor plan to get a garbage can.
Yes,
This is really good.
and they tuck it right back there, so it is out of the way, and you could actually still stash your shoes as you come in the door. So,
Okay.
really good use of the space. Now you're not going to have solid surface in here. This is keeps some of the weight down, keeps a little bit of the cost down, but you have awesome cabinets in here.
I was going to move this so you can see where the...
Yeah, fuses are going to be down here,
And they
easy to
give you-
get to.
I'm telling you, you have got USB and C everywhere.
Everywhere in here. You've got some open storage. You do have some drawers. There's a drawer under here. Now this one thing that I consider it a drawback, but now some people don't use their ovens. They do give you a convection microwave and a 3-burner cooktop. So, you know, depending on how you feel about an oven, that's something that may be something to, you know, to look into.
Yeah,
Huge window though here, overlooking
wow.
your campsite. Some storage up above it. And you got some more over here above your sink and below the sink.
Oh,
And a cutting board.
yeah. Good.
Yeah, nice single basin sink here with a high-rise faucet. And I love that they give you the glass washer on that.
And they give you the
The little extra
tray.
insert. So, really nice setup.
that's more than what we got.
It is. The cup washer just makes me jealous. I just want one of those. I don't know if I would ever use it, but hey, if you have one, tell me, do you like it and do they work well? So, if the storage right at the front, or right at the back isn't enough, they also give you this to use as pantry area. And then you are going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge.
And I was just looking at their little sticker here. They do have a PVC roof membrane.
PVC
Now, our personal camper has a PVC.
It's PVC, yeah. So those, if you get a little nick in them or something, you can go to one of the local big
Hardware
box stores
stores,
and
yeah.
get you a patch.
Patch.
And fix it.
Yep.
Moving here, this is going to give you a Camp King bed. You've got hanging storage on
Wow.
both sides of it. There's going to be a plug-in down here, and I'm going to show you something interesting on the other side in just a second. All the way across the top, you've got some storage. This is prepped for a second AC unit, so if you need that, it can be added.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is.
Yeah, it's a 66 by 74.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So yeah,
that's what they
Camp
call
King
Camp
or
King.
Olympic Queen or something
Yeah.
like that. So yeah. Down below, we tried our best to raise this up, so it doesn't raise up. We couldn't figure out why, but they give you more storage cubes, and then you have this really neat ottoman that I got under there, and now I can't get back.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you need to move that and prop your feet up.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
so yeah, it's nice and open under there, so you can use the ottoman or you can use your own storage under there, however you want to do that, which is really nice.
I think we started a trend though.
We did. We had to fix our own. Anyway, right behind him is where your TV's going to mount, and I love that they already get the bracket in place.
Yeah, I already got the bracket. That's cool.
Yeah, so you don't even have to worry about where to put the bracket. Now, what I was going to show you over here, I looked at this and I thought, what on earth? I have not seen one of these, but that's a Bluetooth speaker.
Yeah.
And it charges while it is down there strapped into place.
You can take it out, put it
Amazing.
on the picnic table.
Yeah. Yeah. Got storage back here on each side of the headboard.
And you've got USB and some more C chargers down there. That is awesome.
That is just very nicely done. All right, guys, I don't think we have.
And
Yes, I pointed out that it is prepped.
yeah,
So, we have not shown you anything quite like this one before. So, what are your thoughts, your ideas, your complaints?
I like it myself.
I do. And if you need some tank treatment, check out our link.
Check out the link down in the description. I mean, all you got to do is click that link. You're on it. Use our
coupon code.
Use our coupon code. Get you 15% off. All right, everybody. If you like this tracer, dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.